Hi everyone, Siavash here from GMI, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do a business-to-business called outreach on autopilot. So this is mainly for people or businesses that are out there that do business-to-business, and they want to basically do a cold outreach. So you know that there are a lot of different ways to get access to the uh, businesses that you want to target or talk to or offer your services, such as search on Google Maps, go scrape LinkedIn, uh, purchase a lead, list of leads from a provider or the some databases that provide lists. But let's say that you want to use one of the most up-to-date platform, which is Google Search Map or Google Places, to scrape the email addresses from. So you know that when you search like on Google and say, let's say as an example, like chiropractors near me. So when you do that, it brings this Google Map Places, and as you can see, it has website direction and those kind of things, but it doesn't have the email. It does have the phone number, but it doesn't have the email. Unless you want to start cold calling, go ahead and do that. But again, still, how do you basically read from these? I know you can go and buy them, but let's say if you want to do it automatically or 24/7 autopilot, getting the emails, getting the business information, verifying the emails, and feeding those emails to your campaign to send out emails automatically. Or if you want to go one step further and basically have the chatbot or AI write the emails, customize the emails specific to that business, so you're not sending the exact same email to every single businesses out there. So I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. We actually have used this in our own company, and we're also using it for other businesses as well. And it's been pretty amazing. Like specifically when you hook it up to the chatbot to basically write, customize, and personalized email addresses. Anyway, so I'm using this API here, and the way that I'm doing it is basically think about that you have a Google spreadsheet, and what you do in the Google spreadsheet, you basically add a search query. Let's say you want to target, I don't know, like insurance brokers or mortgage brokers around Coogee, insurance brokers around Manhattan. So you basically write that down in your Google Sheet, and what's going to happen, we're automatically going to fetch it in here, and then we're going to use a platform called Adscaper. So this platform, if I open that up for you, they do a lot of, let me just pause and open it up. All right, so this is an amazing platform that you can actually use, and basically what it does, it has built different types of APIs. So they scrape data from Google Maps, Facebook page, Trustpilot, Yellow Pages, Yelp, business directories, and those kind of stuff, product and listing. If you're doing Amazon things, you review and comments. We're going to talk about that a little bit as well, but it's an amazing tool that basically you give it a query, and it has already built all the APIs, the JSON configuration and everything, and basically scrapes the data off the internet for you and give it back to you. Everyone can build this kind of stuff. The main thing that we are trying to do in here is utilize all these tools and this automation in order to optimize our business. So you don't need to build everything from scratch. It is already out there. Some person, some company has built it. It is working because all of these APIs are out there for free. You can go Google and get their APIs and build it yourself. So it's not something that is like rocket science. But the thing is, you need to be smart enough to be able to let's utilize this and use it in a way that we want. So a lot of people use this, like grab the data, put it in Excel, and just start sending email one by one. I can show you how you can actually have that automated and send the customized email and personalized emails. Anyway, that's that. And so basically what we're going to do, we add a search query, say, hey, today I'm going to look for, I don't know, chiropractors in my area. Put that search query in your Google Sheet. Automatically this gets triggered. It comes in here. And what we're doing, we're telling the platform, the Adscaper, to look for that thing. So let's say we're looking for restaurants in Manhattan. So basically we grab this query from the Google Sheet, so you don't even need to come in here. We grab that, and we just basically say, okay, language English, region. You can even put the region as another column in your Google Sheet, so it comes in here. And then you tell it like how many you want. You want 400, 500, 200, 200, and how many records you want. And you just basically say, go ahead and fetch it for me. I'm not going to run it right now. But once it gets fetched, it spit out an array or a list of items or businesses for that specific query that you put. Now, what you can do, you can tell the platform that, hey, go ahead and try to scrape emails and contact details from those Google places. So what it's going to do is basically, because Google Places gives you the website, so what it's going to do is basically grab that website, it goes into that website, scan the whole website, see if it can find an email on the website, or if there are any social media that is connected to that website, such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. It looks every single one of those social media platforms. If they are linked to that website, it's going to go ahead and check all of those and see if it can find different contacts, email address with name, and also job position from them as well. And again, this is going to do it for every single one of those results that we get. And then we also add another steps, because some of those emails might be outdated, might be kind of like typo or something. And if you're a marketing agency, you know that it's very important to bring down your bounce rate and those kind of things, so you have a higher deliverability rate, and you got a better chance of getting inbox. So at the bottom of that, we put another thing, email address verifier. So basically every single email that we fetch, we send it to this email address verifier and tell it, hey, verify and make sure that this email address is 100% correct. And after these 4 steps, we're going to have a list of clean email addresses, contact details, and a lot of other information like reviews, number of reviews, rating, all of those kind of things that you get from the Google Maps. Now, you got this amazing enriched data. Now, what you can do with it? There are a ton of things that you can do. You can simply say, hey, just put it into another CSV so I can deal with it later. Or you can say, hey, I'm going to grab every single one of those emails, and based on the description of the Google Map and Google Places and description of their business, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to, hey, go ahead and write an email to that prospect, make it customized and personalized based on the information on their website, and tell them that this is my offer, and I want you to basically, let's say, book an appointment with me to go through that offer. You can literally do that and tell that to ChatGPT. It does the email, spit out the subject line and body for you. And what you can do, you can either hook it up to your Gmail and just send Gmail, or if you have any other platform, SMTP or anything, you can basically channel it through that as well. So you can see how deep you can get in here and how automated this can be. Because just think about it, if you go back like 5 minutes ago, the only manual thing that you do in here once you set this up is you go into that Google Sheet and you write basically category of the business, in what region that you want, and that's it. That's the only thing that you do, and everything else is automatically gets run in here and basically start sending an email. How much can you save time-wise, money-wise, if you build something like this? Just think about it. And this is just one of the ways. Like, think about like other things that you can do with this scraper, or we got a lot of other different scrapers as well. Like someone might come and say, hey, I want to do LinkedIn. You can do the exact same thing for LinkedIn as well. Build a LinkedIn bot for you. You just give it a search query. It goes, does the search on LinkedIn, grab all those contacts based on the things that you want to grab, the emails from them, and write the email, or even send a message on LinkedIn or something like that as well. So doesn't matter what you're using, we can automate it for you. I'm not going to go into much more deeper. We're already like almost 10 minutes in, but hey, this is pretty cool stuff. And let me know if you like this one. And as usual, if you have any questions, any suggestions, or any other things around the chatbot, automation, and those kind of things that you have questions that you can't find on our YouTube channel or Facebook page, Actually, write it down in the comment section. I'm more than happy to do a tutorial video on that and show you guys how you can actually leverage all of this tool. And at the end, if you don't want to deal with all the tech stuff, you can always hit us up and we can see if we can work with you and build something that is personalized and basically good for your business and optimize your business. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.